Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be talking about merging queries in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that helps you in understanding your dataset through visualization in various data models. Now, let us go further and talk about what are the points to be discussed in this video. So, in this video, we will talk mainly about 2 points. In the first point, we talk about why do we need to merge the query. In the second point, we will talk about how do we merge the query. So this is the main part of the video that we will talk about. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop and see why do we need to merge the query and how do we do that. Now we are in Power BI desktop in Power Query Editor interface. If you want to learn more about this interface, you can go to my previous videos and see how this interface works. Now let's get back to the question of this video. Why do we need to merge the query? Now first of all, you have to look into the data that we want to merge on. So you can see I have a country code, I have a country name. In this query, region country name. I have another query that is code country region, in which you can see I have a country ID and country code. So I want to add one column in which a country name is present in front of a country code, because in both things you can see the country code is present. If this query will merge with this query, then country name will generate a new query in a third column which says a country name. So this is why I want to merge these both queries into one query and want to generate a new column. So how to do that? So for that option, you just have to go into the home ribbon and look into the combine section. In the combine section, you will get two options in the append queries and merge queries. In the previous video, I have covered the append queries. That append this query to another query in this file. So there is difference between merge query and append query. In merge query, merge this query with another query in this file. While you see in the dialog box, they have the same things, but append query generally merge the rows. If you want to merge the rows, you will directly use the append queries, which I have covered in my previous video. While if you want to join the columns by joining it through one kind, then you need a merge query. When I click on merge query, I will have two options, merge query or merge query as new. In a merge query, you will see a dialog box, merge this query with another query in this file. So another option is merge this query with another query in this file to create a new query. Now in second point, you can see merge query as new, in which says if I want to merge this query and create a new query, that in that case I will choose merge query as new. In other case, I want to merge region country name into country region. So I need a merge query, the above query. Now the question is how do it work? How does the manage query joins this query? So I will give you a detailed description how this work. Now I will tell you how the merge queries works. Like these are the join kind. So first of all, you will see two separate queries. Query on the left which shows IDs and sale. Queries on the right which will says ID and region. So first thing you will notice that both have an ID region as in common. So you can see both ID region that are common in both the queries, in which you will see A is present in ID, A is present in ID of the right region. B is present on the left, but in right it's BB. So there is a difference between them in the second row, in which the left has a B while on the right it's BB. In the third you can see the C present, and while on the right query it's also C. So if I want to merge this query, how to do that? So first of all, this is possible through outer extension. If I use outer rows from the left side, like in this section I have joined it through left queries which is of outer side. This you can see like ID and sale is of first here. Then on the basis of ID and sale, the region has been joined to this query, which is a merge query. So you can see A of sale 10 and the region you can see of USA, because A is present in the left query, sales is present in the left query. ID has been removed to merging this query into this query. So A is common in both. That's why after 10 it's a USA. While in the second you can see the ID is B, right? B, then sales you can say 50. So sales is 50. After that in a region you see before that the ID is BB. That's why it doesn't recognize this. So the region has not been joined in this. In the C you would see the 20 and in the right query you will see Asia. So this is how left outer query will be joined. So if I go further, you will see the joining can also be possible in merging queries through right side. If I make a right query, a main query on which I will join the left query, so the right will be used. In this you can see the ID and region is the main query now, and on the basis of this the query 1 has been added to the query 2. So you could see the difference between left and right, where the query 1 which is of left of main importance, while on the right you will see query 2 is of main importance. You could see here also, like in the ID A or A, USA and 10. So it is present in here, while you could see in the query 2 in the second row BB is present. So in the right query, when I joined it through merge queries, you will see BB is present, which is of Europe region. But you could see in the query 1, which is of second row, B is of 50 sales, while it is not been available in the second part, because as of I have already told you, this doesn't recognize this. That's why it is showing like this. In the C you could see Asia, which is of 20. So this is how the merging queries in the outer region of the right query will work. Now there is another query that could help you in joining, that is of full, in which you could see the full query has been joined. So you could see here the difference how it works, in which A has been joined of 10 of USA, in which B of joined which is of not available in the region section, while in the left or right case it is not available. That's a difference between full query, because it has recognized both the queries in full part, while in the left and right it has given importance in the left section, while in the right section it has given importance to the right, while in the full section it has given importance to everything that is available in both the queries. So BB is also available, B is also available. That's a difference between outer query for the full section. So there is also another thing that is available for merging query, that is anti, that is kindly opposite of it. Like if you want a thing that is not available in this query, so what do you want to look for? So for this you will see no region not available. So this is how the anti query works for the left section. Like if your question is like this, I want to know in the query 2 which is not available in the query 1. So in the B section, Europe region is not available. So you could see here. So if I create a right question in which I want to know what thing of the query right is not available in the query 1. So you could see in the sales is not available for BB, because it's not available as a B. So this is how this works. So there is another query that will join or merge queries. It's through inner part. That is also same as of left, in which you could see the A and C has been joined while the B has been removed, because the inner part will become a main importance in it. You can see the difference between outer section and left in the inner section. Only the B has been left because B is not available in both of them. That's why B has been removed. Now I have told you how the merging queries work. For an example, like I have been covering in my Power BI desktop, in that I want to merge a region code with region country name. So that's the point of that merging. That's why I need one more column in which country name is available in my second query. So let's go in the Power BI desktop and cover all those things. Now we are in Power BI desktop in a Power Query Editor section. So I want to merge these both query, in which you can see a country name, country code, and here you will see a country ID and country code. So in both the queries the country code is common. So I will join on the basis of country code, then country name will be joined as a merge query in this section. So how will I do that? So that is quite easy. You just have to go into the merge queries. So click on the drop down menu, you will see a merge queries, then click on merge queries. Then the box will pop up. So box is looking like this in which merge is available. So this is a country ID and country code. So how do you want to merge those query? So I want to go in a region country name. So in this country code will be same as of this country code. This is how you merge those query on the basis of one common thing. Always remember you can merge, as I've told you in my brief description, that you can always merge on the basis of one kind. One kind should always be there, otherwise you cannot merge. You can only merge when there is one thing that is common in both of them. On the basis of that common thing you can merge those files. So in here you will see left outer, all from the first matching from the second. This is how you will combine or merge queries. This you can see, or you want to go for the inner also, you can also do that, but I am just lefting it to the left outer because left outer and inner will perform the same function. Just then after that click on OK. Now you will see the another column will be opened up in our query in a code country region query that shows a region country name. So this is looking like this table which is of no value because it is not showing anything. So how do I do that and change this into the Asia Europe, because I have joined it through a country name, not a table thing. So how do I do that? So that is also quite easy. In a region country name you will see one box here. Just click on this box, you will see the country code and a country name has been done in this table. Now we already have a country code, we don't need a country code, so why do we need it? So just unclick on it, you will see a country code. Then after that click on unclick use original column name as prefix. We do not want an original name column as prefix. Now it will make a country name, because region country name I do not require, I just want to put it as a country name. So I removed or unclick from the use original column name as prefix. The only thing left in this is ticked is country name. After that when I click on OK, after I click on OK, you will see your column is very appropriate now. In front of every AS you will see Asia, in front of every EU you will see Europe, in front of AN you will see Antarctica. So this is how you will merge queries on the basis of same kind. Just always remember, if you want to merge any query you have to know what are the common thing about both of those table, because on the basis of a same kind only you can merge. So in both of these query country code is of common kind, that's why I could able to join those queries. So this is how you merge queries. So with this point I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you, and if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good day.